Today I'm going to clean Toyota 4Runner Mass Air Flow Censor Cleaner. Applies to all vehicles. This product I purchased from Walmart, which comes with the Throttle body air intake cleaner. It's a 2-in-1 package, 5 ounce each, around $8. But today I'm going to clean only Mass Air Flow Sensor. This Mass Air Flow Sensor sends signal to ECU, engine control unit, and then based on the feedback from the sensor, the ECU decide how much air supposed to come to the engine and how much gasoline supposed to go to the each cylinder. In short, this can help improve your gas mileage and maintain its durability performance based on your driving habits. This cleaning is required by Toyota every 15 to 20,000 miles, but you must clean after each 30,000 miles. But as I said, it also depends on your area. If you live in a dry and dusty place, you may need to keep it clean every 10,000 miles. And if you are cleaning your air filter oftenly, you might no need to clean it. It all based on how much the area and the air filter you clean. Throttle body cleaning also based on the air filter. You may or may not clean throttle body every 30,000 miles. This process actually needs if engine must be cold and switch off. The cleaning only takes 2 minutes. One screwdriver needed. I am placing piece of cloth in case I drop any screw so I can find it easily. Remove the wire harness and unscrew top screw and the bottom one. Bottom one is a little downwards and a little difficult, but it's easy to remove. As you can see, my sensor is pretty clean because I keep my air filter housing and air filter pretty clean. So I actually change one after 10,000 miles. Total mileage on my vehicle is 14,000 at the moment. So you don't need to touch the sensor at all. Just spray on the sensor outside and the inside. The spray smell actually like a light, very very light ethanol, and it feels cold. Leave it for 2 minutes or it get dry in 2 minutes itself. And do not touch anything, just only spray. Now placing back and hand tight screw, plug the wire harness, start the engine, drive mile or two, and you are good to go. Detail included in the description below. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.